Hello everyone. This video is about how to do factory reset of Asus laptop. This covers all steps. I am doing this because my wired headphone is not detected by this laptop. I have done all initial checks and the last option is to do its factory reset because this will rule out any kind of a software related issue or the operating system related glitch or any kind of a device driver. Okay, this step takes around less than 50 minutes because this laptop has a SSD drive. So let's start it. Okay, you need to go to the settings. Under settings, click update and security and then go for recovery tab. Then say restart now for advanced startup. Now here you can see that option troubleshoot, reset your PC or see advanced options. So click on this option. Here first option is reset this PC and second one option is Asus recovery. So I'm going to choose this option because it will totally do the factory reset of this laptop. So now it is booting, so please have patience. Okay, now the screen is focused. So here on the screen it flashes reset your system to its Asus factory settings. So I'm going to click yes. Okay. And here you can see something is happening. Maybe it is not visible to you because of camera limitations. So here I can read for you. First it is saying that check compatibility. It says okay. Second is start factory process recovery. Third one is prepare data for recovery, finish. And fourth one is deploy OS image, flash boot. So this one is under processing and right now the screen shows 16%. So let's see what happens. Before starting this process, just simply I took out the external hard drive so that maybe the external to save the data. and now it is 80% finished. Okay, 100% finished, done. Let's see. Now it is saying that enable recovery function finishes. So again, laptop is under boot. Okay, select the language, English.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sun.
So now here you need to select the region. So I am going to select India. So here it is, this fine. Click on yes. Keyboard layout is US. Oh, focus is, it's out of focus. Just let me. Now it is in focus. Fine. Option for adding a second keyboard layout. I am going to skip this. Now going to connect with the internet. Here I need to give a password to connect. So just wait. So on the screen it says now we have to, okay, it's goes. Now let's see what's new from Windows. Maybe it is not readable on the video. Okay, here it says Windows 10 license agreement. So just we need to click accept. Now here it is seeking information for Microsoft account. So if you do not have account, then you can create the account. I have account, so simply I am going to proceed with my account number. So now here it is showing, asking for creating a pin. Okay, let's create a pin. Okay, here it is seeking do more across devices with activity history. So I am saying no. Okay. So here it is asking get instant access to your Android phone, photos, text, notifications and more. So I am choosing option do it later. Okay, get help from your digital assistants, accept. Now choose privacy settings for your device. I am saying okay all, let's say accept. Now set up your account. So I'm going to skip this one. Let's see. Okay, fine. So here again it is seeking information for set up your account for ASUS member registration process and something related to McAfee security software account. So I'm again going to skip this. So clicking on next. Now again the system boots. So let's wait for a few minutes, couple of minutes, let's see what happens. Okay, so complete process finished and your system is ready, and it takes only 40 minutes 10 seconds.